So hopefully our next video will be about a great, oh, hold on, John, I messed up. Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of From the Neighborhood. And in this video, it's not about a home buying opportunity. It's more like a how to keep your home university. Each year, there are things that your home needs. It's just like when you go to the doctor for your annual checkup. And one major thing your home needs is to keep the pipes clean. So there's a saying in Spanish which says, el que tiene tienda, lo atiende. Basically means that if you've got a store, you've got to take care of it. And that's the truth. Entiende? So with each season, especially spring and fall, you've got to pay attention to your gutters and drains. And while there are products out there that can help you prevent a clog, there's nothing like being ready for Mother Nature when she brings on the heavy rains. The other day, I visited a property, and wow, I got hit with some reality. That drain had not been cleaned out the entire spring. In this video, I'm cleaning out a NDS Channel Pro series, which are great to drain moderate flows from driveways, patios, and more. So here's how you do it. First thing is to locate the screws on top of the grate. Simply unscrew each one. My tip is to have a basic paint scraper handy to remove the debris off the top of the screws to make it a little easier. Once that's done, start scooping all the dirt. Keep it clean and watch your shirt. It looks like we're clearing out a garden. Final steps are to sweep all around. Hose it down and replace the grates. Once your drain is flowing, great. This guy and his dad raps. So I look forward to our next video being about a great neighborhood and hopefully a home that you can own. So make sure to subscribe. In the meantime, I'm from the neighborhood and I know you are too. So please send me any homes that you would like me to film. I'll be looking forward to seeing you back in the neighborhood.